Hello everyone, so this is going to be a get ready with me video. I put a video up of me in this hair and I wasn't wearing any makeup in this in that video, and I don't know, I just felt really comfortable doing it. Normally when I'm doing products, I like to get my makeup on and all that stuff, do a get ready with me or whatever with the hair, but I chose not to. I just chose to just come to you guys in my non-made up state, and to be quite honest with you guys, it felt really good. It really did. So this is the hair again from Longqi Hair. They're Brazilian curly. I cut the closure too short but I mean, and it's blunt, but it works, right? So I'm gonna just see if we can do a little catch up something. So I'm just going to do my brows how typical do my brows, but I think I want to do red brows, thought I. Okay, so I'm gonna get my. Alright, this is the LA Girl Plum, and it's actually a lip liner. I'm gonna give it a few sharpens, then I'm going to go in. So once you hear me stop talking, you know that the hole is filling up, right? And I haven't moisturized my face. I just wash my face and come to you guys. So what I think I'm going to do though is that I think I'm going to actually put my primer on at some point in time, like right before I go ahead and right before I blend out my concealer in my brows. I'm going to put my primer on. Guys, I'm so excited for the month of November. I spread on the veranda on the wall.
Yeah, and killing with the shoes.
You're killing with the shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, not bad. So now I'm going to be using Matte Caramel from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica. Matte Caramel Concealer. And I said Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica because that's the page I want to promote, but it's Sasha Cosmetics. So Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, they're the distributors of Sasha Cosmetics here in Jamaica. They're not partner, not barrel Kongi, you know. And I said it before, you guys, please message Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica on the page and ask if they have pro discounts. It's way cheaper than buying the Sasha Cosmetics from a store. Milo inside. Alright guys, so now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty primer, and this is going to go all over my face. Now I just started reusing this primer. The last time I used this primer and came off of it and used another primer, I got fan bumps all over my face. I'm hoping it won't do that to me again. I started using this primer again. This foundation is actually my Sasha foundation, and it's in the color bronze, perfect bronze. And if I'm speaking softly, it's because Jonathan is literally sleeping right beside me. German, I play a game out the door. I don't know if I can hear the whistle blowing, so I'm trying to do my voiceover. Okay, I'm trying to do my voiceover as quickly as possible. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm doing my highlight with my LA Pro Conceal in Fawn, and then I'll be blending it out with my my Fenty Beauty sponge. Now for me, the Fenty Beauty sponge is softer than the Beauty Blender, and it's shaped differently. Now that can be a good thing and a bad thing, because some people actually like the stiffness, not the stiffness, but they like how much firmer the Beauty Blender is. But I don't know, I prefer either one, to be quite honest. It doesn't really matter to me. I prefer both of them the same. The one that I can't stand is the Real Techniques one. It's way too soft. So this is actually my Sasha Buttercup powder, in loose form, obviously, and I'm putting this all over my highlighted areas. Nothing new. You guys have seen me this a cajillion times. So now I'm going in with Perfect Spice, and I'm using this to set my face, and I'm using a brush. I didn't use the because normally I would use my sponge, like the beauty sponge from Fenty Beauty or whatever, but this time I just chose to use my brush. And it depends on the application. Whenever they want it to sit on my skin, just want to hurry up and apply it on my face. But if I want it to sit on my skin to last even longer, I've definitely used my beauty sponge to apply it, my damp beauty sponge. So now I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup, and this is in the pressed form. This is actually a sample of the pressed form, and I'm actually using it as well on my brow bone area. Ooh. So now I'm going in with my colors, and it's actually my Inglot Freedom System palette. Alright, so the color I used before was 300. So now I'm going in with 301. This is 301 that I'm taking now. And for this look, I didn't add any lashes. For this look, I just went in lashless. I actually went on the road today. My makeup lasted so long. I was in the sun and everything, sweating and everything. It did not move, it did not separate. So I'm thinking the Fenty primer has a lot to do with it. Then I'm going in with 298, again from the Inglot Freedom System. And you can actually build your own palette on Inglot. This is why I love Inglot. You can put it in the colors that you want. So you can't have a palette with colors that you hardly use. You know what I mean? You have to use all of them because you're the one who chose the colors. That being said, these colors are really, they're not vibrant, they're neutral. Is I mean, I feel like they come out them come out whenever you make them brighter, like add like a white base or something. So now I'm going ahead and I'm lining my eyes with my LA Pro primer in black, and then I'm going to blend that out with a, what that name now, a brush. For my lips, I'm actually going to take, and I'm going to be applying my mascara. This is my Mary Kay mascara that I'll be applying. And for my lips, I'm actually going to be using my Maybelline 650 Nude. And I did not line my lips, just this is all I wore. So guys, this is the look. Again, my Longqi hair is going on fully strong, you guys. It's amazing. I am getting shedding, and that's from the closure, because when I cut the beginning of the closure, the front, to cut off the lace, I actually snipped off a few of the hairs. So that's where the hairs are coming from. I love the hair. You guys saw how I color it. Thank you so much, Longqi, for sending me the hair to review. Guys, you will not ever be dissatisfied with the Longqi. I'm lining my lips with my LA my LA lip liner in espresso. As I'm saying, this wig is alive, this color is alive, and I will definitely be experimenting with more colors. So please stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget about all the information on Longqi. The info is in the description bar below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you, love you, love you. Mwah.
R.I.P. to the old man,